Reviewing our quiz on 3.7 as we look at the first four, using the conditional P then Q, in symbolic logic, write the inverse. Again, using the same criteria, write the contrapositive. Number 3, in equivalent statements, what is equivalent to the conditional statement? And for 4, in alternative form of if P, then Q, what is the alternative form of if P then Q that is first on the list? This should come right out of your notes. So the inverse of P then Q is not P, then not Q. The contrapositive, where we switch letters around, it's not Q, then not P. The equivalent statement that is equivalent to the conditional is the contrapositive. And in our list of alternative forms of if P then Q, the first on the list is P is sufficient for Q. All right, we'll move on. Now for number 5, the last one on the list, Q if P. Number 6, write in words in the if P then Q form. You'll be sorry if I go. If I go, then you'll be sorry. Now in the biconditional truth chart, true or false? Well, 3 equals 7 is false. If and only if 4 equals 3 plus 1, which is true. So false, then true in the biconditional chart is false. Number 8, write the contrapositive of not P, then Q. Well, for this one, remember the contrapositive is we switch the letters around and negate. So we're going to negate Q. Then we're going to negate the negation of P. Now, when you have two negations like this, it then becomes this line. Negate Q, then P. Again, that you can use your notes and that you have good notes and understand them. That's the key to all of this. Number 9, rewrite in words. If P, then Q. All nurses wear white shoes. If you are a nurse, then you wear white shoes. Now for 10, in the biconditional truth chart, 6 equals 5 is false. 12 does not equal 12 is false. False, then false is true. Our bonus question, in symbolic logic, is this a disjunction or a conjunction in symbolic logic? And if you read it, P or Q, That's a disjunction, the or here. Okay, so again, good notes, good quiz scores.